There's the burps.
November 5 Charlie Tango, proceed on course, runway 14, clear for takeoff.
On course, runway 14, clear for takeoff, 9015 Charlie Tango. Okay, you ready? Buckled in,
yep.
Doors are shut.
Yep.
Airplane is configured to go. Everything looks good. Flaps set, here we go. There's a little lake with like a swimming thing right there too. They got a beach.
We're going to South Haven, Michigan.
South Haven, Michigan, right on the border, or right on the shore, the east shore of Lake Michigan. Hopefully we get a crew car.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. We called them this morning. It sounded like really busy. First come, first serve, but it sounded like he would hook us up. Even if they didn't have one, probably somehow figure out how to get a ride into town.
Yeah.
Got a lot of shopping. We'll probably go hang out at the beach. Weather's supposed to hold out. Maybe get something to eat. Just spend the day there.
Yeah.
What are you excited for?
The beach.
Yeah.
Well, and I'd like to see South Haven because I haven't been there before.
Yeah, I've been there when I was a kid. Been a long time. So, cruising at 5,500, 51 degrees out at this altitude. Like 70 on the ground, wouldn't it?
I think so, yeah, it was nice.
So, should be in the mid 70s here at South Haven. And clear skies. So, thanks for joining us. And, yeah.
Hopefully you like our trip.
We're 9424 Foxtrot, home approach, altimeter 3042.
3042 to 4 Fox.
Papa, good morning. Stop at approach, stop at altimeter 3040.
What?
It's like a racetrack or something down here.
There?
November 69 Charlie, contact Great Lakes 121.2, take care.
There's the South Bend Airport. And Lake Michigan. It looks like the land just ends and there's nothing past it.
Final.
South Haven traffic, flight descent 915 South Tango, turning final, runway 23, full stop, South Haven.
Southern X-ray turning final for runway 27, Roger.
Those big ass birds were at the end of the runway.
Right there.
No, those are turkeys.
Something else over there. More.
Turkey. No, remember the birds when we took off?
Yeah.
Yeah, they were down there at the end. Hey, just watch this come in.
I'm not sure where I should park. South Haven traffic plate descending 15 Charlie Tango down, clear our runways, go over the ramp. South Haven.
This is our home for the night. I'm probably gonna camp right over there or maybe right over here. We're not sure.
Can I live here?
I wanna live here.
I live right there. That house.
That really old one there?
Yeah. Or any one of these. You
I'd
pick
take
it.
that one right there. I like the way that one looks.
There's beach.
Wow, look at that. Isn't that pretty? There's the beach.
Let's go find something to eat and
So here,
come back. Nope.
interpaid parking area.
Dude, I got. Can you just use those?
No, I'm sure you have to rent them.
God, it looks like Michigan. Isn't that beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
Can't wait to get the drone out.
You wouldn't like to live on Lake Michigan? You'd rather live on Diamond Lake?
Yeah, because you can't have a dock here. That's the problem. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Or like have one of the, like that house right there. This is Water Street.
So close to your neighbors. It's sad. But I guess real estate's at a premium on these waters.
This place.
Municipal Marina.
Fishing charters. See, it looks like is that a restaurant down there? Buy yourself a snow cone place. Jewelry shop. So we are 1 week before Memorial Day.
Before opening everything.
So I assume everything opens up on Memorial Day. So we're just seeing everybody open things up. Wine store? Tasting room? Well, you wanna walk down that way? Urban food. Oh, found. Italian bistro and wine bar. Looks like we found a farmer's market. Maybe get a snack for dinner, for breakfast, for lunch, whatever. What do you think?
Yeah, let's do
Yeah,
it.
it's a beautiful day out.
Where have all the young girls gone?
So what did you think of South Haven so far?
Beautiful. I absolutely love it.
These little towns along the lake are so beautiful.
They're like quaint little towns. I love it.
Ken Blues, is that where it's at? I think that's where we're going. What are you getting?
I'm gonna get that perch basket
And a Bloody Mary.
and a Bloody Mary.
And I'm drinking a water at Captain Lou's. Right on the water.
Right, perch. Apparently they're famous for this.
I got a perch wrap. You got it? What do you think?
It's cold. Hey, it's beautiful. I love it.
Well, it's cold,
The water.
but not outside.
No, it's nice outside.
People out. Quite a few people actually. how clear that water is. I could do that to you while you walk down the pier.
Wanna do that? I need my shoes.
What are you thinking? Why do you need your shoes? Gallons should take us about 8 gallons. 10 to get home. Those fucking birds. We're gonna taxi past them.
Okay. Do we have enough space?
Yeah. South Haven traffic, flight design 15 Charlie Tango departing runway 23, VA to south departure, South Haven. Okay, you ready? Everything good?
Yeah.
A pretty strong right crosswind. Here we go.
Coming way over Sylvania, Charlie 9, 14,500 feet and below. Please not fly the field, there's skydivers in the air, Sylvania.
It's 11.
Southwest 31.
22 last transit, 3166.
Southbound approach, flight design November 9015 Charlie Tango with request.
November 9015 Charlie Tango Southbound approach, say request and type aircraft.
Yes, we would like VFR flight following. Identifier for the aircraft is Foxtrot Delta Charlie Tango, destination Terre Haute Hotel Uniform Foxtrot, 8,500.
Citation 797 Victor Sierra Southbound approach, altimeter 3027, weather available at Benton Harbor, say approach request. Citation 7 Victor Sierra, expect that. Number 5 Charlie Tango, squawk 4263 and say altitude leaving.
4263, climbing 3,400 just south of South Haven, 5 Charlie Tango.
Number 5 Charlie Tango, radar contact 900 miles northeast Benton Harbor Airport, southbound altimeter 3027.
3027, 9015 Charlie Tango.
Change approved, 0 Delta Romeo.
Southwest 2445, cross Haley at 6,000.
I think we're good, 6,500.
Okay.
Are you?
Southbound Skydive 1 is 1 minute.
I think so, yeah.
Skydive 1, roger. Attention all aircraft, skydiving operations in the vicinity of the Michigan City Airport from 1000 in 1 minute.
Flight design 5, Charlie Tango, turn left heading 120. 120, 5 Charlie Tango. Flight design 5, Charlie Tango, maintain present altitude. Maintain 2,800, 5 Charlie Tango. SX6 Sierra Papa, present speed or better to M2, please.
November 5 Charlie Tango, number 2, runway 23, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 23, number 2, 5 Charlie Tango.
And top 24 Victor.
November 6 Sierra Papa, turn left heading 090.
Left turn 090, 706 Sierra Papa.
Wasn't even that bumpy on the way in, was it?
Oh, wasn't bad.
November 6 Sierra Pop, contact departure.
Over to departure, 6 Sierra Pop, push help. Good day.
No problem, have a good one.
Flaps coming in. Slowing down.
Strawberry 2 for Victor, number 2 to follow support cruiser, 3/4 mile final.
Oh,
What do you call us?
sport cruiser.
Repeat, for 24 Victor.
Strawberry 2 for Victor, number 2 to follow support cruiser, half mile final.
Number 2, forward traffic. Stop 24 Victor.
Got him up there.
Yep. Can't see him, but
Strawberry 2 for Victor, report traffic in sight.
Traffic's in sight. Stop 24 Victor.
Strawberry 2 for Victor, number 2, runway 23, clear for the option, traffic to follow, full stop.
Of course.
Number 2, follow the traffic. Clear for the option 23.
It's a Formula car. I wonder if that's for the... Cool.
And Tower 24 Victor, after this one, can we get alternating 2332?
Strawberry 2 for Victor, have another aircraft on an approach to 23, and once they land, I can probably accommodate that.
I appreciate it.
Number 5 Charlie Tango, taxi main ramp via Foxtrot Charlie, cross runway 32, no delay.
5 Charlie Tango's going over to the hangars.
Number 5 Charlie Tango, taxi to Foxtrot 3 via Foxtrot.
Over to the hangars via Foxtrot. 5 Charlie Tango, thanks for the help.
Strawberry 2 for Victor, go around.
Stop 24 Victor, going around.
that was bumpy.
Coleman Tower, November 8492 Foxtrot, inbound on the VUR23.
Warrior 8492 Foxtrot, Holman Tower, runway 23, clear to land.
You make Gabriel go around.
Yeah.
Thank us.
Strawberry 2 for Victor, same intention.
Going around the right pattern here, head 23 again.
Strawberry 2 for Victor, roger, runway 23, cleared for the option, then extend upwind.
23 clear for the option, extend upwind. Stop 24 Victor.
Aircraft calling ground for flight to Sky King, say call sign.
Yeah, Cherokee 4823 Tango here at Hoosier. I have X-ray.
Cherokee 4823 Tango, Holman ground, runway 23, taxi Alpha 1.
Alpha 1, 23 Tango, thank you.
Was he too close to us? Is that why they had him go around?
Yeah, he turned in way too quickly.
Like that?
Yeah.
Number 479 Sierra Whiskey, Holman ground, runway 23, taxi Alpha 1.
Now that was a landing.
That was smooth.
That's how they all should be.
That was like butter.
Like a butthole.
Like butter.
Well, I'm officially burnt to a crisp. How about you?
Yeah, I got burnt a little bit, but not too bad. I'm not as bad as you, babe.
You just made it back. What time is it? 7?
Yeah, 7:03.
I spent the whole day in South Haven.
Yeah.
Now we get to go home and relax.
Yes, we do.
So,
Alright guys, well we hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.